Hello and welcome to our final project demonstration video. I am your host Muhammad Faisal. I am teamed up by two of my creative members, Muhammad Khairul and Muhammad Aidit. In this video, we will be demonstrating as well as explaining thoroughly about our project. For this particular project, we decided to go with an approach of creating an intelligent door lock. Our project actually has several features and it involves two things, temperature as well as humidity. Our project can be of multiple uses and in different occasions as well. Let's move on to Khairul so we can take a glance at its demonstration. Let's go.
Hello, I'm Carol and I will talk about the video demonstration. For our project, we have three main features, which is unlock and lock the door by entering a password using the keypad, and unlock and lock door by using from phone, and one more is to detect fire. Now, let's start the video demonstration. So, first, I will tell about the components that we use. The first component that we use is the Nucleo F411RE board. Next, an LCD, 16x2 LCD, and then the Wi-Fi module, which is the ESP8266, and then the temperature and humidity sensor, which is DHT11, and then a 4x4 matrix keypad, and then two LEDs, one external switch, and a buzzer, and a few resistors, and a lot of jumper wires. So I will demonstrate the video. First, I will reset the program. So firstly, the LCD will say connecting. This means that it is connecting to the Wi-Fi, which is using this Wi-Fi module. So this process will usually take about 15 to 20 seconds. So now let's wait for it to be connected. So now the Wi-Fi has been connected, and then the program will ask us to set the password. So to set the password, we can set the password by entering it using the keypad. So now we will enter a 6-digit password. So for example, let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So to enter, you can just press the hashtag. So now the password has been set, and the main menu will show the model of the name and the temperature and humidity. So right now, the room temperature is 31 Celsius and the humidity is 72%. So now let's try the first main feature, which is the unlocking and locking the door using the keypad. So in order to enter the password, we can press the user button here at the Nucleo board, which is this blue button. So we press it, and then the LCD will ask us to enter the password. So let's try entering a wrong password. For example, 666, and then we enter. So if we enter the wrong password, the LCD will say wrong password, and then the attempt is 2. This means that our program has 3 attempts for entering the password. So if 3 attempts have been made, the program will lock us out from entering the password, and the user cannot enter any more password. So if we enter the wrong password, the red LED will light up and the buzzer will produce a sound. So now let's enter the second attempt of password. So I will enter the wrong password again. So right now we have one more attempt, and if we enter the wrong password again, the program will show attempt is 0, and then attempt is locked. So in order to unlock the attempt, we can unlock it through the phone. So right now, the user cannot enter any more password because it is locked, because the user has entered 3 wrong password. So in order to unlock, the user can reset the password through phone. So in order to do that, the user can press the external button here. So after that, the buzzer will sound and the LCD will say phone input, which is the user need to enter input through the phone. So this is the phone, which is the UDP and TCP application. So as you can see here, there is 3 options, which is reset password, close door, and open door. So to reset password, we can just click this reset password. So after that, the buzzer and LED will light up and sound, and then the LCD will ask us to reset the password. So we can try the password as, so previously we have set 1 until 6, so now let's try 7 6 777 777. So we enter, press the hash button, and then the program will go back to the main menu, which is the model name and temperature and humidity. So now let's try attempt the password again. We can attempt by pressing the user button, and then the program asks, as you can see, the program now allows the user to enter the password. So now let's enter the correct password, which is 77767. As you can see, the green LED and buzzer will sound and light up, and the LCD will say the door has been unlocked. Now let's try our next main feature, which is unlock and locking the door through phone. So as previously, the user can unlock through, before user to unlock through phone, user need to press the external switch. So just press it, and then the program will ask to input. So let's say close door. The LCD will say door lock, and the red LED and the buzzer will sound. So red means the door is locked, and green means the door is unlocked. So now let's try unlocking the door, which is open the door. And as you can see, the green LED light up and the LCD says door unlocked. So for our project, as a door lock, the LED symbolize the door lock because we don't have the servo motor. Now I will talk about the third main feature of this project, which is the fire sensor. In order to detect the temperature, we use a DHT11, which is the temperature and humidity sensor. If the temperature is higher than 50 Celsius, the red LED will light up and the buzzer will produce a sound in order to alarm the user. There's a fire. So in order to increase the temperature, I will use a high dryer to increase the temperature by blowing the air at the sensor. Let's test it out. As you can see, the temperature is increasing. So as you can see, previously it was at 47 Celsius, and after it was after it exceeds 50 Celsius, the LCD will say the fire is detected and the door will automatically unlock. And then the red LED will light up and the buzzer will produce a sound as expected. So in order, if the program will only the red LED will only turn off and the buzzer will only not produce a sound when the temperature is lower than 50 Celsius. So let's wait it out until the temperature has been lower than 50 Celsius. So as you can see here, the LCD it says the temperature is 49 Celsius, which is 2 Celsius off the 50 Celsius. So I think that's all for the video demonstration of this project. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Muhammad Khairul Ikhwan. I'm Aidi, would like to explain the limitation of this project. Not to forget that this intelligent door lock also has its limitations since it is only a prototype of it. The insufficiency of the suitable tools such as a servo motor has led our team to replace it with LEDs instead. This prototype requires a lot of jumpers, where unfortunately we decided to borrow jumpers from other team. Thus, it also need to have a neat cable management, and the high latency of the Wi-Fi connectivity is also a problem, where DHT model number 11 sometimes does not work. Meanwhile, the password reset is only available using smartphone with Wi-Fi connectivity only. Each time the password is keyed in, only the first 6 pins will be read by the system, and unfortunately, there is no limit to insert the pins. Last but not least, the LED red have two different meaning. If wrong password or the dot set to be locked, it will illuminate to represent the door is locked. And if the room reach the alarming temperature, it will illuminate that indicate the door is unlocked. In conclusion, this final project was to create an intelligent door lock that serves multiple features. There were 3 features to be exact, and we were able to achieve the objectives for creating an intelligent door lock by constructing a circuit on a breadboard using several of the listed components. The first feature was to unlock or lock the door by setting and entering a password, and with the help of providing a keypad, this part of the project was able to be achieved. Next, we were also able to achieve the second feature of the project, that was needed to be able to unlock or lock the door by using a Wi-Fi connection that is connected to its user's phone, so it may be convenient for its user to easily unlock or lock their door by using their phone. The user has 3 attempts to enter their password, and if they fail 3 times, then they may use the application provided on their phone to reset their password. Lastly, we were able to achieve the final feature of this project, which is the ability to detect fire. As a fire occurs, the door sensor will detect the high temperature and will automatically unlock the door so that the user may escape easily in case of emergency. Thank you very much. That's all from our team project.